Hello, this is Jose Aguirre from TIPCO, and I'm going to show you how to access Spotfire from the cloud or install the client. Go to tipco.com/Spotfire-trial and click on that link, fill in the form with your contact information, and wait for an email to come. Then you go to your email, search for that activation link, and then choose a username and password. Now you have access to the Spotfire cloud. You can check the library, you can browse the TIPCO community mods, I recommend you do so. And you can also download the client. So there is a link on the bottom left called resources. Click on that link and click on the download Spotfire. Wait for download to finish, follow the prompts, and you should be ready to go. Now you have Spotfire cloud and the Spotfire client version installed. That's it.